I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Backup saves to Xbox Cloud or copy to USB. Sign out and remove all accounts so the next owner won't reach your profile. Once done, unlink payment methods in your Microsoft account and disable two-step if it blocks remote removal. Make sure the Series X is connected to internet and power. This prevents errors during the reset process and allows the console to deregister from your account cleanly. Now perform the factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Console Info, then Reset Console. Choose Remove Everything to securely erase profiles, save data stored locally, and installed games. This ensures the console returns to retail state. The reason is to clear credentials and prevent account recovery. Once you confirm, the Series X will reboot and apply the reset. Make sure you do not unplug power or cut the internet during this process, because after the reset, you should run through the initial setup quickly to confirm the console boots to the language/region screen and shows no linked accounts, then power it off for sale. If the reset fails or the system is corrupted, use the Xbox Startup Troubleshooter and an offline system update via USB to restore the OS. One key tip: if resets repeatedly fail, prepare a recovery USB from another PC. That usually resolves boot or corrupted cache issues before you hand it over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.